This instructional unit may be classified as non-story content, for its principal purpose is explanatory rather than narrative. Its central premise is that effective paragraphs are seldom the result of improvisation alone. Rather, they emerge from deliberate pre-writing practices that structure thought before composition begins. The first strategy is brainstorming, a generative process in which the writer produces ideas rapidly without immediate judgment. The value of this method lies in its capacity to suspend criticism long enough for unexpected connections to surface. By allowing the mind to move freely, brainstorming reduces hesitation and creates a broader pool of material from which a writer may later select. The second strategy is clustering, sometimes called mapping, in which ideas are arranged visually around a central topic. This method transforms a diffuse collection of thoughts into an intelligible pattern. As related concepts are grouped together, the writer begins to perceive relationships, hierarchies, and thematic repetitions that might remain invisible in a linear list. Clustering, therefore, serves not merely as a recording device, but as a method of discovery. The third strategy is outlining, the stage at which raw ideas are converted into an ordered plan. An outline establishes sequence, identifies the main claim, and distinguishes major supporting points from subordinate details. In this way, it functions as the architecture of the draft, ensuring that each paragraph contributes to a coherent whole rather than competing for attention. These three strategies are most effective when used in sequence. Brainstorming expands possibility, clustering organizes possibility, and outlining disciplines it. Together, they shorten the drafting process because the writer no longer begins with uncertainty. The essential work of invention and arrangement has already been performed. The result is not only greater efficiency, but also greater clarity, since the writer can devote attention to expression rather than invention at the moment of drafting. For inexperienced writers, such methods may initially appear time-consuming, yet they ultimately prevent far greater losses of time and confidence. A paragraph shaped by pre-writing is more focused, more persuasive, and more likely to develop logically from its opening sentence to its conclusion. Strong writing, then, is less an act of sudden inspiration than an act of disciplined preparation.